Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how money is actually created? It's a question that has fascinated many for centuries. No, I'm not just talking about the printing presses at the mint, but the entire fascinating process behind it. Buckle up as we dive into the intricate journey of money creation. It's more complex than you might think. So, let's start with the basics. Understanding the foundation is crucial. When we think of money, we often imagine coins and bills. These are the physical forms of money we use daily. But in reality, most money exists digitally. Crazy, right? This digital form is what we use for online transactions and banking. The journey of money creation begins with central banks. These institutions play a pivotal role. In the US, the central bank is known as the Federal Reserve, often referred to as the Fed. These central banks control the money supply and set interest rates, which influence the economy significantly. Now, how do they do it? How do they manage to control such a vast system? First off, central banks create money through monetary policy. This involves various tools and strategies. They can print physical money, but more commonly, they use open market operations. This is a more sophisticated method. This means buying and selling government bonds. It's a way to regulate the money flow. When they buy bonds, they inject money into the economy, increasing the money supply. When they sell bonds, they pull money out, decreasing the money supply. Next up is commercial banks. These are the banks we interact with daily. This is where things get really interesting. Commercial banks have a unique role in money creation. When you deposit money in your bank, it doesn't just sit there. The bank uses it to generate more money. Banks lend out most of that money to others while keeping a fraction as reserves. This is a crucial part of the banking system. This process is called fractional reserve banking. It's a fundamental concept in modern banking. Essentially, when a bank gives out a loan, it's creating new money. This is how money multiplies in the economy. Let's say you take out a loan to buy a car. The bank doesn't take that money from someone else's account. The bank simply creates a new balance in your account. This is new money entering the economy. It simply creates a new balance in your account. This is how money creation happens at the commercial bank level. Voila! More money in circulation. This process helps fuel economic growth. Now, you might be wondering, how is all this controlled to prevent inflation? It's a valid concern. Central banks use interest rates as a tool. This is one of their primary methods of controlling the economy. By raising or lowering rates, they can make borrowing more or less attractive. This influences how much money is created. Higher rates mean less borrowing, which slows down money creation. This helps keep inflation in check. Lower rates do the opposite. They encourage borrowing, which increases money creation. Lastly, digital currencies like Bitcoin are shaking things up. They represent a new frontier in money creation. Unlike traditional money, these aren't controlled by any central bank. This decentralization is a key feature. They're created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex algorithms. This is a completely different method of money creation. So, to sum it up, money creation is a blend of central bank policies, commercial banking activities, and increasingly digital currencies. Each plays a unique role. It's a complex yet fascinating system that keeps our economy ticking. Understanding it helps us appreciate the intricacies of our financial world. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I hope you found it as intriguing as I do. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interesting insights. See you next time.